An expired mask. Cut out all sides. The middle part is divided into 3 equal parts. Take one of them and fold it in half vertically. Fold it in half sideways again. Then find the 1% position on this side of the opening. Use scissors to cut out the activity of a petal. After unfolding, it will look like this. Then tear off the 3 layers. We don't need the white part in the middle. Only a layer of blue and a layer of transparent white remain. Let's fold these 2 layers apart. Where are we together? At the curvature of the petals. Use your fingers to pull it back and forth. Pull out an irregular shape. On the other hand, the same is true here. Where is the curvature of the petals? Give it different rules back and forth. Good. Then stagger the 2 layers. Wrong by about 1 centimeter. Fold it in half again. After folding them in half, find the position of their center point. Okay, where is the center point at the bottom? Make a pleat on it. Apply 5 millimeters glue in the middle of the fold. After applying the glue, press and fix it. Okay, this is 1 petal of our peony flower. For the same petal, we will make 15 pieces in total. 1, 5 wide and 2. Cut to tassels each 5 inches wide. Almost 0. 5 double-sided tape. First apply 1. Roll the 5 tassels on one end of the petals like this. After rolling, continue to roll up the long tassels to complete the small flower center. Assemble the first layer of 3 petals. Apply glue to the end of the petals. Fit it together. Good! On the first layer, we assemble 3 pieces. The first 3-piece assembled shape. 5 pieces on the second layer. Let's put 5 small petals. Connect it. One after another. Tie it together. After connecting it, form it into a circle. Glue the bottom of the first layer of petals and put the second layer on it. Okay, the 2 layers of small petals are assembled. The 7 small petals on the third layer are also added one by one and then formed into a circle. After the third layer is attached, a beautiful peony is completed.